have one of the poker chips here. Remember, it's an 8-inch cake by 2 inches high. I'm going to do the poker chips in white and black. Okay, so we need a center. So I have a center, just a circle cutter here. And this one is about approximately, about 3.5 inches. This will sit right in the center. And then I have the cake sitting on a cake divider wheel because what I want to do is have some black strips meet the black center, and then obviously you'll have your white and then black, white, black, white. So I want to put the centerpiece in first, so I just need to roll this out. And this is the black fondant. I just purchased it in black. You can to make it easier for coloring, you can actually start with chocolate fondant if you want and add black food color to it. That won't take you as long to color. Yeah, it looks like I've got a lot of air bubbles in this. So let's see, I've just got this to get some of these out. What I'll probably end up doing is just kind of cutting around those anyway. Like this whole area right here is perfect, so I'll just cut that out. And I don't have to worry about the air bubbles. Alrighty, pick this up, flip it on over, and we'll put a little bit of water on the back. Flip it right back on top. Okay, I wipe my hands off here. And then go ahead and get it back into its little circular spot. Okay, so I just went ahead and pushed that black fondant in where that hole was, and to even out the circle I went ahead and put the cutter back on top and just kind of moved it around a little to get it back in the circular position. Now I've got some more black rolled out here. Now what I want to do is, let's see, if I do, this is a good distance right here, so between the 8, so if I do 1, 2, 3, I'll get 4 black marks and then 4 white ones. So what I need to do is cut this. This might not be wide enough because I have that little seam there. Let's just see. No, I'm going to redo it. I just don't like it. Okay, so it needs to be at least, let's see, 4 inches. Okay, so at least 4 inches. So I'm going to cut at the 4-inch mark like this, and then way out here. Okay, what we can do is just take anything, I'm just going to use a spatula, make sure this stays in the center. Okay, and then at these lines I'll go ahead and mark up like this, and actually the ruler is a good thing to do because you can just push in straight. Okay, everywhere where it says 8. So what I mean by that is here on the wheel, wherever it says 8, it's that line. So the next 8 is way over here. So we'll push in there. And then over here. Voila!